In this video, I will show you how to screenshot on Mac. Okay, to capture the entire screen, press and hold Shift-Command-3. Release the keys to capture the entire screen. The screenshot will be saved as a file on your desktop. To capture a portion of the screen, press and hold Shift-Command-4. Your cursor will change to crosshairs. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture. Release the mouse or trackpad button to take the screenshot. To capture a window or menu bar, press Shift-Command-4, then press the spacebar. Move the crosshair pointer over the window or menu you want to capture. It will highlight. Click to capture the selected item. To copy the screenshot to the clipboard, add the Ctrl key to any of the above shortcuts to copy the screenshot to your clipboard for pasting into another application. Control-Shift-Command-3. Okay, now I copied the entire screen. Let's see. Command-B, I can paste anywhere. I can send it to my friend on WhatsApp or Instagram or Messenger. Okay, to select a selected portion, to copy a selected portion, Command-Shift-Control-4. Okay, now I want to select this. Okay, this one is copied. I can paste it anywhere. That's so simple. That's it for today's video. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and stick around.